What's up, guys? Dr. Tansini here. Welcome to your Daily Body Armor with Tank. I'm Tank. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you never miss a way to foolproof your body and absolutely crush everything in life. So, guys, today we're going to be talking about ways in which, for a lot of problems that many of you guys have about building lat strength, right? And building posterior shoulder strength. So, think about the ability to really pull something towards you, whether it's any kind of row, whether it's any kind of pull-up, right? We need those lats, and we need the back of that shoulder to be strong so that we can not only perform our best, but so that we can have the best shoulder health that we possibly can while we perform at our best. So today we're going to be using the chest supported row. Okay, now you guys see I've got the bench stacked here on two boxes. Doesn't matter how you do it, just as long as you can fully straighten out the arm at the bottom so that you can pull that weight toward you. Do I hear your weight down on the bench? Okay, start with the fully straightened out arm. Here, pull that baby up and back down. Okay, much like the single arm row, leaning against the bench, but this time we've got the bench underneath us. It's supporting our body so that we can focus solely on getting that good contraction through that lat as we do this row. So think about pulling the kettlebell or dumbbell back to the back pocket as you row, okay? Build those into your strength sets. You can use them as a warm-up, but they're not only a great way to keep that shoulder healthy, but a great way to build some serious pull and strength. So give it a try. Thanks for watching today. This is Dr. Tansini with the Daily Body Armor with Tank. That's the chest supported row. Give it a try, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you guys.